Welcome to Top 5 Best Buying Reviews. The best cold beer flag is probably one of the most eye-catching and conversation-starting additions you can make to your home bar, backyard, or man cave, instantly transforming any space into a festive and welcoming zone perfect for gatherings and personal enjoyment. Number 5. LiteWeave Pro Series G128 Cold Beer Flag. Introducing the LiteWeave Pro Series G128 Cold Beer Flag. This 3x5 foot flag is crafted from durable 150D polyester for long-lasting use. Unlike other brands using thinner materials, ours is made from heavyweight 150D polyester. This ensures it's significantly more durable and will hold up better over time. It features double needle lock stitch edges with 4 rows of stitching on the fly end. This design significantly reduces fraying and enhances its longevity. The heading is made of heavy-duty polyester canvas, and it includes 2 high-quality solid brass grommets. These features provide a secure and reliable way to display it. Utilizing dye sublimation, the colors are incredibly clear, vivid, and bright. It's designed to look great both indoors and outdoors, maintaining its appearance. This flag is perfect for any setting, whether you want to display it inside your business or outdoors. Its robust construction ensures it will hold up in various conditions. What we like. This flag is built to last with its heavyweight 150D polyester and double needle stitching. It features brass grommets for secure mounting. If you need a durable flag that can withstand the elements for both indoor and outdoor use, this is a great choice. It's perfect for businesses that want a long-lasting advertising solution. What people say. Brings attention to your business during open hours. Lightweight and fairly durable. This product is well made and durable. Handles high winds with ease. Bright standout colors and very durable. Fastened to my existing pole with zip ties. Number 4. LookOurWay 7-foot feather flag pole kit. Attract more customers with this eye-catching advertising banner. Its vibrant design ensures high visibility, making your business stand out from afar. Crafted from durable, UV-resistant polyester, this flag is built to withstand the elements. It's rated for wind speeds up to 25 miles per hour, ensuring it stays put. Get your message out in minutes with its simple assembly. The lightweight pole kit makes it easy to transport and set up at any location. Ideal for promoting your business, special offers, or events. Use it for food specials, grand openings, or to advertise ice-cold beer. This kit includes everything you need, a 3-piece pole, ground spike, and a durable flag. It stands 7 feet tall, ready to grab attention. Make a powerful statement with this effective outdoor advertising tool. It's designed to draw attention and bring more people to your property. What we like. This kit offers a complete advertising solution with a 7-foot tall fiberglass pole and ground spike. Its high visibility design is perfect for attracting attention. If you're looking for an easy-to-assemble and portable option to promote your business outdoors, especially for events or temporary setups, this is ideal. What people say. Good build quality. The flag is made of UV-resistant knitted polyester that handles up to 25 miles per hour winds without tearing or fading. Super easy to pack and take down between events. The barbecue flag does its job, it attracts the attention of the eye and draws people in. Number 3. Ice Cold Beer Feather Banner Advertising Kit. This kit includes everything you need for effective advertising. It comes with a 12-foot feather flag, a 15-feet telescopic flagpole, and a ground stake for quick and easy setup. Our bright and bold flags are designed to catch the eye. They are easily visible from a distance, ensuring your message reaches people on busy roads and intersections. Looking for a cost-effective way to promote your business? This advertising solution offers a long lifespan for just pennies a day, making it a smart budget choice. Want to get your business noticed and bring more customers to your door? Use these banners to make a strong impression and drive traffic. Setting up your advertisement is a breeze. The kit includes a 4-piece telescopic pole and a steel ground stake, allowing for simple installation on grass or dirt. What we like. This is a complete advertising kit designed for maximum visibility from a distance. It's a cost-effective way to drive traffic to your business. If you want a large, eye-catching banner that's easy to set up on grass or dirt and need to advertise on a budget, this is the perfect option. What people say. Great curb appeal for advertising. They work great and are seen from a distance at our outdoor events. Great product made well. Good quality. Strong metals. Number 2. LookOurWay Feather Flag Banner, 12-foot advertising flag. Promote your business or grand opening with our cost-effective outdoor advertising signs. These flags are a great way to get noticed without breaking the bank. With a towering 12-foot design and vibrant colors, these banners are highly noticeable from afar. They are a must-have to increase foot traffic to your establishment. Crafted from durable knitted polyester, our flags are UV-resistant. They are built to withstand wind speeds of up to 25 miles per hour. We offer over 200 designs in various sizes. You can also collaborate with our designers to create a custom look that perfectly matches your brand. The flag stands 12 feet tall with a width of 2 feet 6 inches. Please note that the pole kit and mounts are sold separately. What we like. Standing at an impressive 12 feet tall, this flag is designed to grab attention from afar. It's made from durable, UV-resistant knitted polyester for long-lasting use. If you want a highly noticeable advertising tool for your business or event and are looking for a cost-effective marketing solution, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Good quality. I purchased 2 for outside our lanai bar area at our house. Hubby liked them for his bar. Number 1. Anley Fly Breeze 3x5 Cold Beer Flag. This flag is designed for areas with light winds. Its lightweight construction allows it to fly even with a gentle breeze. You'll be impressed by the sharpness and vibrancy of the print. The colors remain vivid and are treated to resist fading, perfect for outdoor display. Crafted from durable polyester, this flag features double stitching along the edges. It's further reinforced with a canvas header and 2 brass grommets for longevity. Made entirely of 100% polyester, it's built to last. This package includes one 3x5-foot flag. We are confident in the quality of our products. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. What we like. This flag boasts vivid, fade-proof colors and is constructed with a durable polyester material, canvas header, and brass grommets. It's ideal for low-wind areas where vibrant, long-lasting color is a priority. If you appreciate excellent craftsmanship and want a flag that maintains its appearance outdoors, this is a solid pick. What people say. It's been flying great for months now with no sign of shredding and has been a great talking point to anyone visiting or even people driving by honking. The color was as described, the size was perfect. It was the perfect addition to a college apartment. The quality is very good for the price. I've bought other inexpensive flags that start to fray as soon as the wind hits them. Not this one. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.